Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect AWS Cognito to Flutter with secure token handling, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect AWS Cognito to Flutter with secure token handling, begin by setting up your AWS Cognito user pool. Log into your AWS Management Console and navigate to the Cognito service. Click on Manage User Pools and then Create a User Pool. Choose a name for your user pool and configure the required settings as per your app. Once your user pool is created, note down the pool ID and the app client ID, as you'll need. Next, create an identity pool in Cognito for federated identities. Navigate to Manage Identity Pools and click on Create New Identity Pool. Enable the authentication providers for Cognito. Input the user pool ID and the app client ID that you noted earlier. After creating the identity pool, note down the identity pool ID as well. Now, it's time to set up your Flutter environment. Open your Flutter project in your preferred IDE. Add the necessary dependencies to your pubspec.yaml file. Include the AWS Cognito dependencies along with any other packages like HTTP4 API requests. Run Flutter pub-get to install the new packages. Next, configure AWS Amplify in your Flutter application. Create an Amplify configuration.json file in the root of your project. Add the configuration details for your user pool and identity pool into this JSON file. In your main Dart file, import the required AWS Amplify libraries. Initialize AWS Amplify using the configuration from your Amplify configuration.json file. Once Amplify is initialized, implement a user registration system. Create a registration form in Flutter to capture user inputs. Utilize the Amplify API to call the registration methods, passing the user details and settings. Handle any response messages appropriately. After registration, implement a user sign-in feature. Create a login form in your Flutter app and get the user credentials. Use the Amplify API to sign the user in and handle any errors that might arise. Store the access tokens securely using Flutter's Secure Storage plugin. Create a secure storage service to manage your tokens effectively. Implement functions to save, retrieve, and delete tokens from secure storage. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.